my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J. So I know everyone's in a rush. Well, most people seem to be in a rush to decorate for Christmas. Christmas is such a joyous time, so I can totally understand decorating like right now. I haven't started decorating yet, but I've been going to different stores, trying to see what they have and picking up things here and there. So that's what this video is gonna be about. We're gonna go shopping at Crate & Barrel, Target, and HomeGoods. By the way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I show behind the scene footage. I always post polls because I have a hard time picking out things that I love. So you guys always help me with that. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you subscribed, and let's get started. So my first stop is Crate & Barrel, and this is actually the shopping trip I made when I bought my canisters for my coffee bar, and I will have that video linked down below. But they just started to put out their Christmas decor. So I just recorded a little bit of what they had, but they did have some good stuff when I went. I really want to do a nice table setup, a nice tablescape for the holidays. So this is giving me so much inspiration. I really want to get some gold utensils. Next stop is HomeGoods, and I also want to show you guys some decor items just in case you want to pick up decor for your home or you need some gift ideas. I'm going to show you all of that in this HomeGoods shopping trip. HomeGoods has been having a lot of trays and cutting boards. If you guys haven't done a charcuterie moment, I would encourage you to try it. They can be so much fun and very pretty, and trust me, your guests will love it. HomeGoods has been having a lot of good art pieces lately. They have these, I don't know if they're made out of wool, but these are very interesting. Remind me more of a bohemian style. I really love this landscape picture. I love the frame on it. I have nowhere to put it, but every time I see it at HomeGoods, I always look at it. And this mirror, you guys, was massive and such a great price. This mirror was $1.99, and I'm gonna show you the dimensions in just a second. It's the biggest mirror I've ever seen at HomeGoods, and it is gorgeous. HomeGoods has been having a lot of cookbooks. I was actually surprised to see Aisha Curry's cookbook that just came out at HomeGoods. But if you know anyone who's a fan of her or Joanna Gaines, these are great gift ideas for your family and friends. Now, candles are everything for the holidays, so I'm going to show you guys a few candlestick holders. These are beautiful, and these glass ones right here, you can really create a beautiful winter wonderland with something like these. This bar was really nice. I like the marble bottom, the glass top. I need to learn how to make some cocktails, but I thought this was really pretty. And check this abstract art piece out right here. It is so beautiful. If I needed some artwork, I would have snatched this up like 2 seconds ago. This marble cutting board will make a beautiful gift to someone, or you can put it out with some cheese, crackers, grapes, have a fun little wine night for the holidays. This thing is gorgeous. HomeGoods has decor for every aesthetic. Sometimes you have to kind of look or dig through items, but I would definitely check out HomeGoods for your Christmas decor. They have really amazing things for great prices. I feel like a nutcracker is a must for the holiday season, but I love how aesthetically pleasing this nutcracker is. It's very beautiful and only $7.99. I did pop into Marshall's just to see what they had. I have one close to me, so I like going there from time to time. This garland at Marshall's is actually not bad at all. And spoiler alert, I did actually pick this one or one very, very similar from Marshall's at a different shopping trip. You guys will see that another time, but it's not bad. And this was only $29. And my last stop is Target. These stems are by Hearth and Hand, and I'm really impressed with their stems. I have their eucalyptus stems, so I definitely want to check out their holiday selection. Another spoiler alert, I actually did pick these up another time, and I'll show you guys in a future video, but I will definitely check this out right now. They are selling out super fast, so I think you can order these if your Target does not have them, but I would run to the Target website or your local Target now to check these out. I really love these candlestick holders by Project 62. These were only $20, but I love the design. Very unique, modern, classy, sleek, all of the above. I love Project 62 at Target. These little Christmas trees are actually from the Studio McGee line. I didn't even know she was coming out with holiday decor, but these were so cute. If you have like a neutral aesthetic, these would be perfect in your home. I can so see those against a black fireplace, a black wall. I'm just so into the moody vibes right now, but they are gorgeous. Okay, we're back. So this haul is kind of random. Like I said, I'm kind of like tiptoeing into the holiday season, and I just kind of grabbed some random items here and there just to see what will work in my space. So the first thing I got, now I've been seeing these little deers. I picked up this one because it was bigger than what I've been seeing, but not too big. And it's white. So I don't know, well, when I picked it up, I didn't really know the theme or the color scheme I was going for. So I wanted to get something I can easily spray paint if I wanted to, but I think I'm gonna go with white. This was $12.99. Next from HomeGoods, I picked up this gingerbread man. He can easily be spray painted white. I don't know, you guys have to just wait until I do a decorate with me to see what color he ends up being. But he was only $12.99 and I thought he was a pretty good size. Okay, next thing from HomeGoods. So I like making sugar cookies. I don't have any Christmas cookie cutters, so I picked this up. This was only $12.99. And I made the mistake by not getting my Halloween cookie cutters early enough, and I couldn't really get exactly what I wanted. So if you guys are wanting specific items, I would definitely start picking those items up now, because it seems like people are really decorating and grabbing their stuff earlier. So the holidays is all about creating that feeling in your home. And certain smells can definitely bring that feeling into your home for the holidays. So I definitely want to pick up some candles. I picked up 3 different ones. The first one I got is Fraser Fir by Sand & Fog. I really like the Sand & Fog candles because they're soy wax blend and they're really affordable, and they come in a bunch of different scents and whatnot. So this one's, like I said, Fraser Fir, and it's a like Christmas tree type of scent, but I smell like hints of vanilla and a little sweetness behind it. They have another one called Winter Fir, I believe. I didn't like that one as much as I like this one, and this was $14.99. So next candle I got is also from Sand & Fog. This one is in the color in the scent Bonfire. I can't really explain this one to you guys. I was trying to smell it. I just could not figure it out. But it definitely has a very warm scent to it. But I like it, and I feel like it was perfect for the holidays. And the last candle I got, this one is by Sensational, and it's in the scent Mulled Cider. This is a coconut and beeswax blend. This one smells so good. It smells, you can definitely smell the apple, you can smell the cinnamon, maybe a hint of vanilla. It smells really, or citrus. It smells really good. If you guys see this one, I would definitely pick this one up. This one definitely reminds me of Christmas, the holiday season. This one is a good one. And this one was $12.99. Also from HomeGoods, I picked up a hand wash. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in this container or change it to another one, but I really love this smell. It's cranberry spice. Reminds me of the holiday season, and it smells really, 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 really good. It almost smells like candy. This is by the brand Pearlescence. It looks like this. And the last 2 things I got from HomeGoods are these cocktail napkins. I love getting my cocktail napkins from HomeGoods. They have the cutest ones. They're only like $2, $3, maybe $4.99. Now these have sayings on them, but I feel like they're appropriate for a cocktail napkin. I think I'm gonna put some of these in my coffee bar, and we're also going to set a bar moment up, and I want to have some of these up. They're so festive. So this one says naughty or nice. And also I'm going to have a hot cocoa bar up, which I think would be super cute. It's so festive and appropriate for this time of year, and then my kids really are gonna enjoy that. So I think they would really like these fun festive, well, not this one. This one says he sees you when you're drinking. You know, which could be drinking hot cocoa, I don't know. But I thought that one was cute. This one was $2.99 and this one was $3.99. So that's it from HomeGoods. I picked up this random bag of pine cones from Hobby Lobby. This one says $14.99, but I'm sure I got it on sale. And it smells like a Christmas tree. You know, it lost its scent a little bit. I feel like it was more fragrant before, but yeah, I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and I might put some of these in a bowl. And then I stopped at Michael's. I showed these in a previous video. I was saying I wanted to go back and pick these up, and I did, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. My vision was to put these in a floor vase that I have, but the floor vase I have, the color is kind of clashing with this. So I think I'm gonna return these, but I still absolutely love them. And if you have a place for these, I would definitely check these out. And the last thing I got are these kitchen towels. Like I said, I wasn't really sure on the color, and I wasn't sure if I should get red because I wasn't really sure. But I feel like in my kitchen, and I'm gonna do a kitchen tour, it's very black, it's very white with black accent and wood accent. So I feel like if I add black or I add white, it's just gonna look like another day. And I kind of want it to be a little more festive, so I picked these up. And what I like about these, and I don't know if you guys can tell because the lighting is really, really bright, but it's a muted red color. So it's kind of like toned down a bit. Yeah, I think the color's picking up right. So I like that. And then it also has like these cream color or off-white color towels as well. And these are 100% premium Turkish cotton. So I'm like, oh, okay, fancy. So I need to go back to Target. I was supposed to make my way there today. I just did not have the time. and pick up a couple more things. And then I think I'm gonna start putting things together, and then I can do a Decorate With Me holiday edition. So I'm excited about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe on your way out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.